Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Plug your iPhone into the laptop with a reliable Lightning to USB cable, then unlock the phone and tap Trust when prompted. Next, open Settings and turn on Personal Hotspot. Set a password if asked. On Windows, make sure iTunes or the Apple mobile device USB driver is installed so the PC recognizes the phone. Once done, the laptop will detect a new wired network interface. That's the tether you'll use for a stable connection. You now select the iPhone as the laptop's network source. Open the laptop's network or Wi-Fi icon and choose the iPhone USB interface. On Mac OS, it appears as iPhone USB, on Windows as Apple Mobile Device Network. Make sure the adapter is set to obtain IP and DNS automatically so the phone provides network details via DHCP. Once connected, disable other Wi-Fi adapters to avoid route conflicts. This ensures traffic flows over the wired tether for consistent speed. Finish by opening a browser and loading a few pages to confirm the internet is active. Run a quick speed check if you need performance data. When done, return to Settings and disable Personal Hotspot to conserve data and battery. If the laptop does not connect, first swap the USB cable and try a different port, then tap Trust again on the iPhone. Reinstall the Apple driver or iTunes on Windows and reboot both devices. These steps fix most recognition or driver problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.